not gotten a Stitch Fix for quite a while, but I figured over spring break, why not get a Stitch Fix? I have the complimentary styling, whatever style pass, where you pay $50 and then you can get as many boxes as you want from Stitch Fix, and you get that $50 credit towards some sort of clothing. I've had that for a while. I should probably cancel it for next year because I haven't been using Stitch Fix much. But I have that and I haven't used it, so I figured I would go ahead and order a box. If you're not familiar with Stitch Fix, you get 5 pieces of clothing. There's a person that styles you and picks out stuff based on like your Pinterest board or what you ask for. You pay, I think it's a $20 or $25 styling fee normally if you don't have the style pass, and then if you get something from the box, that goes towards whatever you get. If you don't, you lose it, and then you can keep what you want and send back everything else. And that's pretty much it. If you haven't tried out Stitch Fix yet and you're interested, I will leave a referral link down below. That gives me some money credit if you want to use it. If you don't, I totally understand that as well. But I thought I would go ahead and share with you guys the things that I got in my most recent box and what I think I'm going to keep, what I'm going to send back. With Stitch Fix, if you keep all 5 pieces, they give you a 25% discount. So in my case, for this particular box, it would be $55.75 off if I keep all 5 things. So that's where we're at. The first thing that I got actually is not a part of my box, but one of the things that they've added more recently is that you can like try on basics. So one of the basics that I thought was super cute was this bralette. It's just this white bralette. It's from Free People. These are pretty popular right now. It's got kind of like the lacy flower thing going on the top and like a crisscrossy back. This is $38 on its own. I actually didn't think I was going to end up keeping it when I first pulled it out of the box because it's not padded, and I really like having padded bralettes, but this is actually way more flattering on than I thought it was going to be, and like the little cute lacy details would be really cute during the summertime. Plus, there are these little adjustable straps in the back. So I think I am gonna end up keeping this one. So it's pretty cute. I'm not gonna try that one on for you because it is a bralette, but I actually ended up liking that way more than I thought I was going to, and I do think I am going to keep that. The next thing that I have is another thing that I was surprised by how much I actually ended up liking. My stylist basically knew that I'm a teacher. She knows that I wanted stuff that works in the classroom or outside the classroom. And so one thing that she put in my box was this Kaileigh Arnett Faux Wrap knit dress in navy, which is like this really cute polka dot pattern. I am all about the polka dots. They are one of my favorite patterns, and I'm generally not a wrap dress type of person just because I am smaller chested and I don't feel like it's the most flattering. But I actually think this one's really, really cute. It's very lightweight. I like that it does have short sleeves, so if I wanted to put like a jacket over it, I could, but I could also wear it on its own in the classroom and not have to worry about that. I think the length is great, and it's just very lightweight and cute. It is $54 normally. I actually think it's super adorable, and I think I'm going to go ahead and probably keep this one just because it is so flattering and cute. It's got a little tie on the side. I don't normally love wrap dresses, but this one I just think is adorable, and I feel like I'm going to keep that one. The next thing that I have is this Luna Button detail brushed knit top. This one is cute, but I don't think I absolutely love it. They said to style it tucked into jeans with a French tuck, which I think would be cute. It is a little bit oversized. I think maybe if they had an extra small, that might fit me just a little bit better. It's okay. It is $38. If I were keeping everything in the box, I would maybe consider keeping this one. I don't think I'm going to keep everything in the box. I think I'm going to keep a couple of things, but I'm just not in love with this enough. It is very soft, but I don't think I would end up getting a ton of use out of it, so I think I am going to send that one back. Then the next thing up is a pretty basic piece. This is the Market and Spruce Jillianne button down top. This one is $44, and it's in an olivey color, so it's like an olive flannel color. It is cute, so it has like the little details so you can wrap up the sleeves and keep them kind of rolled up. I showed when I tried this on, I would probably tie this one up, but you can also wear it not tied up. It's fine. I just don't feel like it's $44 worth of fine necessarily for me. I don't know. I don't know that it's something that I necessarily need right now. It is cute though, and it's very soft. It's just a pretty basic one. I have a bunch of flannels already, and honestly, I didn't wear any of them, maybe one of them this year. I didn't really wear many of them, so I haven't been wearing them as much, so I probably shouldn't buy another one that's maybe not going to get worn. The next thing is this striped cardigan. This is the Mix by 41 Hawthorn Barona brushed knit cardigan, and this one is $38. And it's cute enough. It's very, very soft, but I have a lot of cardigans. Stripes I love, which she did a really solid choice in picking out some stripes because I do love stripes. I love all the patterns of these. This is just not necessarily one that I feel like is a must-have for me. I wish the stripes were a little bit more vivid. It feels like they're kind of washed out. It is very soft, but it's just not necessarily another one that I need to add to my closet right now, even if it is pretty cute. And then lastly is just a pair of jeans. These are the STS Blue Neve Skinny Jean, and these are $49. I really, really like these. So they're my jeans, they say they're the Emma ankle skinny. These are really super comfortable. They are mid-rise, which I prefer high-rise usually, but I like mid-rise. I have a couple of pairs that are older, low-rise ones that I just need to get rid of because they're not comfortable. But these are super stretchy. I like the length of them. They're like the perfect length, and I just think these are really nice, and they're not distressed at all, so I could wear them to school. I've been looking to buy a couple more pairs of jeans, so this is actually about perfect. So I think I'm going to end up keeping the jeans and the dress and the bralette, which equals $92 without my $49 credit. So it basically covers the cost of the jeans. And then I'm keeping the other two pieces. I could keep everything for $156. So if I spent another $60, I could keep the other three pieces for about $20 a piece. But do I really need to keep the other three pieces and spend that extra $60? Probably not. So I think I'm just going to keep the jeans, the dress, and the bralette. Even though I liked the other tops, they just aren't necessarily things that I have to have right now. So I think I'm just going to keep the two pieces instead. I don't know if that's the right call, but I think that's what I'm going to do. So that was my most recent Stitch Fix. I would love to know your thoughts on those pieces that I got. I should probably get this in the mail tomorrow because I've been putting off sending it back. Normally you get 3 days, but you can extend the days if you want to. So I've been extending mine a little bit because I haven't tried them on yet. So yeah, those are my thoughts. I'd love to hear if you guys have tried out Stitch Fix, what you think. Let me know that in the comments down below. If you have any video requests for things that you're hoping to see from me sometime in the near future, let me know that. Right now everything in the world is scary and everything is shut down, and so I'm hanging out in my house a lot. So if there are things that you want to see from me, let me know that because I've got some time to film now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one.